Hello, everybody. It's the beginning of the new year, and I have a few fireworks left. So I thought, why not take a few shots with some practical fire explosion effects in the background. So that's why I'm outside here with a scene. And to begin with, I must say that I'm really not experienced with fireworks, but I think I'm going to use these camera settings here, maybe a little less here, and well, then we'll see what happens. But of course, be careful when you are around fireworks. I don't think these are that powerful or anything, but still be careful, and of course, only use figures that you can afford to lose if they get burned or something. I'm using a World War robot figure here, and he is pretty much weathered, so I don't think it'll hurt with a few sparks. So let's see what happens here. I post the figure as he's running away from an explosion or a fire or whatever happens. I don't know what it's going to be like, but let's try it out, and I'll be ready behind the camera. All right, pretty cool. We'll see how it turns out. I still have some fireworks left, so I decided to do another scene here with figures in a small scale. And it's a bit more complicated because we have three figures here and they all have to be posed and balanced at the same time. I'm not using any support stands or anything, so hopefully they won't fall over when I try to light this thing. That wasn't that impressive, but I still have another one, so let's go for the same setup and try again. Hopefully this one will be slightly more effectful. That was much better. So again, let's check out how this looks after the editing. I'm back inside now, and of course I'm not going to fire any fireworks here. I'm going to sum up this video. I hope you enjoyed some of the shots and the firework effects. Again, if you are going to use fireworks, of course, be careful, and also be careful with your figures, especially if you use clothed figures like this one, because, well, they might not catch fire, but you can damage the cloth with sparks and stuff like that. So be careful. More photo effect videos coming up, so stay tuned. For now, I will say thank you for watching, leave a comment and subscribe. if you'd like to see more.